Stop weight gain today. Grab your 8-week custom keto meal plan now. This quick and easy 8-week keto food plan helps you stop stubborn weight gain and get your figure back. In this 8-week keto plan you get keto, low-carb friendly meal plans, including snacks. Every recipe is quick and easy to make and guaranteed to taste delicious and leave you feeling full. Your 8-week plan was co-created by world-class chefs and nutritionists. All your meals are planned out for you, and you even get a downloadable shopping list with all the ingredients you need for the weekly shop. 8 weeks of keto-friendly recipes you can make at home fast and easy. Just follow the included recipes and prepare your mouth-watering fat-burning foods. Set a goal to lose up to 100 pounds following this simple 8 weeks plan. This plan has helped thousands of people shed excess weight around the hips, thighs, and tummy. Are you next? See how you can transform your body into something you are actually proud of, rather than something you have always tried to cover up. Take the free quiz and get your 8-week fully customized meal plan and deliciously easy keto recipes ebook.